So hey everyone, what's up? I hope you all had a wonderful day today. And yes, I'm here again with another wig review, and I'm sure you see her, right? I am sure you see her. Isn't this a cute one, right? It's really cute. So in this review today, I am going to show you everything that I did to achieve this look. And so if you're someone who needs something just simple to put on, you know, whether that may be to go and do errands or even for everyday use, then I suggest you stay tuned for this review, okay? So I'll see you in the next clip. So before I apply a wig onto my head, I always make sure that my hair is secured underneath the cap. And so this wig basically came from a company called Wave and Breeze, and I purchased this on Amazon. It's 14 inches in length, and it's like a black brown wig with bangs, okay? And so the hair looks super natural, and it feels super soft when I took it out the package. Okay, to be honest, when I purchased this, I wasn't thinking much of it, you know, because it is a synthetic wig. I just wanted to have something I could use quick on the go. But I was truly surprised by this wig. Now this wig has straps so you can secure your wig on your head, but I did notice that it didn't have any clips, which I found kind of strange, but I mean, it is an affordable wig. So I'm showing you the top of the wig where it has the white part showing, and what I'm doing in this clip now, I'm making sure that I use my foundation to cover that part so that the top part of the wig can look as natural as I can get it. And so you want it to look natural, so in order to do that, you want to use a foundation that is close to your color, okay? So that you wouldn't see that white part at the top of your wig. Okay, so that's what I did. And so since I'm done with covering that part of the wig with the concealer, the next thing that I'm going to do is now put the wig on top of my head. Pretty simple, pretty easy process. It was not hard at all to do. Anyone could do it. And so that's me trying to adjust it to my head. I made sure that the bands are secured to make sure that it stays on my head. And then yes, I'm done with it, and I love how it looks so far. I was kind of blown away by the way it looked. I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't thinking much of it. I just thought, you know, this is a cheap and affordable wig. You know, I wasn't really expecting much from it, but I really liked how it looked on me. Like, it suits my face, and I think that this is a wig that would suit a lot of people. When I see people with different face shapes and they are rocking a wig with bangs, I normally notice that all face types can rock a style like this, okay? And so what I like about this hair, I also liked the bangs as well. I like the way the bangs fell. The bangs were cut really well. I was impressed by how the bangs were laid when it came to this wig. And so yeah, here I'm just trying to adjust it even more. And that's how the sides look. You could see that the waves are very defined in this. Look at the waves. The waves is like a defined curl pattern. You understand? And so there you can see the actual brown highlights. It's like a black and brown type of color. Okay? And so I was really feeling it. And so I'm just showing you how it looks on the sides. Okay, that's how it looks on the sides. This is how it looks in the back. Look at those waves. Those waves are really defined in the back. Like, I really like how it actually looked. And so, yeah. You see, it's just a simple process, okay? I'm really feeling these bangs. These bangs are cute. They were cut perfectly. Okay, there was nothing that I really needed to do to the bangs. The bangs were okay in my opinion, you know. But when I put on this hair, I was feeling it. I was feeling it. I was feeling it because it just turned out really well. And it was simple. Like if you're a person you're not into doing too much, like you just want something on the go and you're out the door, then this is where it's at. So in the next clip, I'm going to share my final thoughts on this wig. So I've tried a number of synthetic wigs, you know, over the past few years, and I have to say that this particular synthetic wig has to be the most natural synthetic wig I've ever tried. And what I like about this particular wig is that it's really affordable. Like when I purchased this wig, I got it for around close to $20. It was about $19.97. And recently I see that the price is around $20 something. And I still think that's a pretty good price for a wig like this. When it comes to the texture of this wig texture is really, really soft. And I really, really like the style of this wig. This is the first time I've ever tried a weave or a wig type of style where it has some form of highlights, okay? And I like how defined the waves in this wig is as well. And so I would say like this is a type of hair that's great if you want something that is easy to put on. If you're a person who is new to wigs, you understand, if you're like a beginner, this is a go-to wig that you should probably purchase, okay? You don't have a lot of things to do when it comes to this wig. You just make sure to secure your hair with your wig cap. You put it on, put the straps in the back to make sure it's fastened properly, and then you just go out the door, you know, fix the waves to make sure it's laying properly. But it's really not hard to put on, okay? So if I could do it, you could do it as well. And so I like how the texture is. I prefer to get a longer length because I'm always trying short. I decided to do something different, something that I've never tried. And I have to say that I am really impressed by this wig. Also, you know, the only thing you would have to do is put some foundation at the top so that you can make sure that the top of the head of this wig blends in with your natural skin tone. And that's what you guys saw me do when it came to installing this hair. I just like how overall this wig lays, and the style is just like a cute flirty feel. Like this is a style that you would want to wear like during the summertime. When I first purchased this wig, I was expecting it to be okay, but I wasn't expecting it to be this stylish, okay? From the bangs, I like that the bangs aren't too thick. It's a good length as well. I didn't need to clip it or anything. It's just fine as is. So the minute you take it out of the packaging, all you just need to do is put it on top of your head, okay? Adjust it on your head. This isn't a wig that you need to pluck or do anything to it, okay? But, you know, I like it overall, and I would definitely recommend this wig to anyone, okay? But if you're interested in this wig, please check out the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Bye.